Hello, I am Jude Romeo Song Nkwain, the CEO and founder of HIGHUPWEB Academy. I am thrilled to introduce our cutting-edge cybersecurity program designed to equip you with the skills needed to protect digital assets and navigate the complexities of modern security challenges. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital landscape. Our program provides comprehensive training on fundamentals of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. You will learn about threat detection, risk management, ethical hacking, and the latest in security technologies. We cover essential topics such as firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection, ensuring you have a solid foundation in safeguarding digital environments. Here at HIGHUPWEB Academy, our approach is hands-on and practical. Throughout the course, you will engage in real-world simulations, analyze case studies, and develop strategies to address various security scenarios. The practical experience is designed to enhance your problem-solving skills and prepare you for a successful career in cybersecurity. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is rapidly increasing as cyber threats become more sophisticated. By joining our program, you will gain the expertise needed to tackle these challenges head-on and advance in this vital field. So, are you ready to dive into the world of cybersecurity and become a defender of digital systems? Enrollment is currently open at our training center located at Carrefour Emia, Yaoundé. So, we are going to be super excited to guide you through this important journey at HIGHUPWEB Academy. So we look forward to seeing you on our orientation day. Thank you for your interest and remain blessed.